Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Lego BattleBot.
But first, you're going to need a few things. One, a remote control Lego car with a remote control, with like remote control stuff, but it can connect to Legos. So you can find these at Five Below for about $5. I mean, Five Below.
Okay, next you'll need your own Lego bricks.
But you're going to need some like weapon stuff.
So I have a few things. These are just things that I built. So this is made out of quite a few Lego bricks. But so my design is, because it's remote controlled, I want it to basically bash into the opponent's robot. So this is basically a shield that I made to go on. So you just put that on nice and tight. Make sure both missiles are facing forward. This will be your front. One of the missiles fell off. Tee-hee. Now, you'll need a piece to make it all look good. See, nice red stripe. That looks good. Me likey. Then, I got this giant cannon. I got it. This one I got from a Arc 170 Lego Star Wars set. And check this out. Check this out. See?
It went all the way from here.
So that's pretty good range for a Lego weapon. So I'm going to attach that right here. Nice. Okay, so that's the main frame. Now you'll need the body. So for the body, I built just a basic rectangular body, and I got 4 stud shooters, got some Lego blades, and 6 spring-loaded shooters. So these all shoot. So I'll just fire 1 spring-loaded shooter. Get ready to follow this with the camera. I accidentally
all right, so they landed all the way. So they're right here, and he's all the way over there.
Okay.
So that's about maybe 15 feet.
Something like that.
All right.
A little less.
Now the stud shooters.
Now the stud shooter. So you just press this little trigger right there. Pop. This one's a lot more short range. It just goes into there. So that's probably more like 5 feet.
Maybe 7 feet.
Maybe 7, something like that. But
all right, so get it all loaded up and geared up with all the weapons. Once you get it all geared up and loaded up, then you just attach it to the main body, just attach it to the main frame. Just stick it on there,
nice and tight. Next, for the head, I just got some curved pieces along with an air jitsu piece
from Ninjago.
Right, from Lego Ninjago. And so I've got, this is going to be like a phaser beam. So here, let me show you the...
You use a ripcord.
It's got a ripcord, and so that's a phaser beam.
So if you shoot it forwards, it'll go pretty fast and straight.
And it'll do a lot of damage to your opposing robot. So once I put this all together, you can just put the head on, and your BattleBot is done.
Okay.
Done. So much that the whole robot would just blast backwards if I just shot. So what this robot does is its head shifts into hover, and then the phaser beam charges up, and boom. So now you know what you need to make your own robot.
Now go out there and make your own.
And don't blow up your car. That was a really bad idea that I did.
Yeah.
Mom's not gonna like that.